me and you may Metanasi me biggest opponent in football, Real Madrid. Now, me were a certain level of expectations
at the moment
this season. Obviously, the biggest will be a day in Xavi Alonso, Ebeyen of Fufro with this Real Madrid team. The great Carlo Ancelotti and Timianye Amaya Pamune Free Club. Number 2, the Xavi Alonso a year with Bayern 04 Leverkusen. No, na amani more you do enough to step up to a team with Real Madrid. And me real say, Rich, after going invincible in the Bundesliga, no, there were clubs that were interested in Xavi Alonso, including great teams say Bayern and Liverpool. And they see there be on Promomia or Real Madrid and a slot aqua Liverpool or League dada. Bayern Alpha Vincent Company Waji League. Now, was Xavi Alonso right to dog Bayern and Liverpool and wait for team friend Real Madrid? Now, Rich, for me, the first thing, Emma, maybe you're very observant to Xavi Alonso. They say, there are no ball Bayern for Leverkusen with 3 back now. Rich, throughout the FIFA Club World Cup, any preseason, on trying once in Real Madrid.
Meaning on 3 back.
But that is his speciality. That is his claim to fame. Obeji dini nyinano. Ayesa tactics na one master no. I know the freedom to use that. I will buy no for Leverkusen no. But about Real Madrid no Rich. Whether a freedom no new, whether a Madrid philosophy na and support is no, whether a place or that to Real Madrid no, and then man into me most formation no. What we know Xavi Alonso to play, Rich, he is not playing it. And see, a complicated observation to do on a real friend Xavi Alonso, and yet he shook it wa. And what did they know about Shimuno? But Rich, beyond the American, I think the biggest and say Xavi Alonso in Real Madrid and a Real Madrid in Xavi Alonso. And Tiana in Pembrano say, Sir Oko Real Madrid or more expert you are, Rich, they've posted a documentary of him. Obe signing for Real Madrid, what he did for Real Madrid, and already a complimentary video of Bernabeu. Said they are beginning their season at home, and Obiambra na Omesha Xavi Alonso. What is he saying? Xavi Alonso now must say, Rich, we are looking forward to getting started, stepping out at the Bernabeu and connecting with the fans. That is the manager's words. Say, Omonim sending almost started, and they will have to step up because AFA with Bernabeu. And when you step up, they know the fans will be there to support them. Now, Rich, the Real Madrid they know, say, last season, their opponents in Barcelona were so superior to them. And they've already won 3-0 in their first La Liga game. And coach is so Xavi Alonso understands, say, Charlie. But we need to put your first to fight Stima, your friend of Barcelona. Now, Rich, when I first glance Real Madrid, there's so much in your design for my squad list. I mean, who said the Danny Camavinga Atosono? I was like, hey, sir, okay. Is Camavinga coming back into his seat? And I say, Trent never bought. Now, Rich, Courtois, Luan, Mestre, Camavinga, Militao, Alaba, Trent, Asensio, Carreras, Frank Garcia, Hostin, Vervaldi, Chiomani, Ada Goulet, Ceballos, and Thiago, with Vinicius, Mbappe, Rodrigo, Gonzalez, Brahim Diaz, Macestuano. Rich, the big miss, and they say about Jude Bellingham in team in game maybe. And he's out of the Real Madrid team now. Now, that is what Dario, as a Real Madrid, Ebebo, as on first 11. Rich, what it means is that said the Dario Kani and Okra, even though Danny Camavinga is on the graphic, he's not going to play Trent Bebo. And Mekaitema, Trent has to decide. So we live in Liverpool, Ako, Real Madrid. No, the discussion we had here, and they say, "Oh, yeah, sure." Say Camavinga, or Mountain, or Vitimia to know with a Benton Bono or Nimbono. How what about Real Madrid achieve and the successes he has struck with Real Madrid? Rich, so Bibia, and they said this information is correct. Then Trent today is ahead of Team Abrantia, Yefene Dani Cavaha. Look, there is fellow Mendy, there is Fran Garcia. But Real Madrid are not convinced of Omubia. That is the reason why they had to go and bring back their academy boy in Alvaro Carreras. Rudiger bought a lot of games. I mean, they are fit in. I like this combination. Oh yes, Rich. Say Adam Militao you fit now, Boboa. He's one of the best centre backs in the world. And Dean Hoyson will need Obisa with him and not play Obisa Asensio. If open leadership, any control, any organizational, or here either Militao and I say Abantia. I think Militao is okay. Militao is okay. So Usha, the way Obwana, he is slow. He reads the game well. Or person pass it. He will need a tackler. And Obia, why a tackler Mumba, why you're very, very observant too. I think Militao, for me, I had the best pair to Dean Hudson. Now, without Jude Bellingham, it means that Abantia, your friend Ada Goulet, sits in as the number 10 for Team Real Madrid. Rich, this is what Ada Goulet prayed for. Say, Obetimi Real Madrid team, everyone about the natural position, not only any defensive duties. And it's a me what your man in Bavard was Mechia. As a midfielder, then I know that me and me born number 10. Me born behind a front tray of Vinicius, Mbappe, Diaz.
Is it Rodrigo no man?
Rodrigo, he's part of the squad on the bench. That is him. On the bench. Now, Gabi heard the story, you know, see you. Vinicius, Ebu says he came in and also man farmer. A man for man, what?
Julie?
Him, watch it. Watch it. And remember, he should go. Was starting some on Real Madrid. And the more now watch Real Madrid, none of value so. Rich said this season, if Saudi for so member Real Madrid over 100 million, you think after Obo Kakaka after this season, almost 100 baba. That's so much. And yeah, the na ye instigating say Albano. Only Kylian Mbappe, why the very big boy, our Real Madrid team, performance, Kylian Mbappe has shown. Say today in the Real Madrid team, he is the biggest. No doubt about that. Now, on him, say Vinicius Sokwa. Rich, Real Madrid will find a striker as a number 9 and bring Kylian Mbappe here, his favorite position. And the talks about Real Madrid, any balance, you know. Rich, it is because of these two players. You don't need two liabilities in terms of defensive transitions in your team. Me also says Ayala so kind of wonka. But Rich and Kajike say Vinicius say oh me boafu mo extend me contract scam me payment for me. It me call we see hallelujah. About to say the killing Mbappe, a church and so for so few Paris and Zeman, now Luis Enrique Cielo. He will do that. Look, Osasuna team no at Tiaba form because last season, Sena Omubo Gambia, Omo front train Nepal name anti Budime ever present. But with him was Abanti Afan Gomez and Brian Cascante. Zaragoza, sorry. Omo mi nyina ni wo sisi enti aka Budime nkwa we ni mo. Enti the usual partners in the front three, Rich, they are not there. That is the reason why last season Orioles was playing in deep midfield. Omo pushing on Edna Besha wings on. And this Gomez is not the Gomez that you know. And I am expecting Real Madrid to start on the front foot.
Okay.
Especially with Osasuna team elbow in a three back. Now there are spaces or wing backs in it, you know. I am expecting Brahim Diaz and Vinicius or Metinia working magic, you know, and get Real Madrid going rich. There is no Real Madrid fan aware expecting anticlimax. First game, Xabi Alonso at home. Barcelona winning 3. You must win. And you must win with a winner. And me hope say we are going to compete this season. And that is what Real Madrid will be expecting from Omutim. And I think say they've gotten a very, very good fixture to announce Omoso presence at the start of the La Liga. And to Real Madrid are going to win and then enumerate. Now Rich, there's update to be on our club. Man, you about the first league game. A lot of Manchester United fans, they were happy with what they saw, even if they lost. Rocky Ababa to be a mamu kutasa ajomo say, Man, you no
mediocre.
Munshada ni Man, you. So Man, you tina Old Trafford my Arsenal be send 1-0. Now supporters yeah okay 1-0. Man, you never.
No, but Ayala, me so I disagree with him. We are talking about the Manchester United last season. Aside that result, no man, let team the performance in Nkoyi. This is a United fan not this season. At least you saw there. But our glimpse is because look, team no going for it no. Say yan and rant and the and yama because yeah, result the best.
It is the same.
So obi kasa menya sure say we mediocre.
Wo and Minipa Kwame, I mean, Ghana last time about Sam office, no. And a lot of the Ghanaian Manchester United fans are making the same argument now, making it say, Harry Kane is, Roy Keane is missing the contest. Nobody is happy as a Manchester United fan say we are losing game. No, that is not the contest. The contest, and say, in Pempe Manchester United, no, you need baby a free bar. And see, boy, no. CSA and my GDR. Probably it is because of where we are coming from. Senior will explain, you know. Now, Rich, born I'm a boy, you know. Within the 90 minutes, Casemiro has started here with Messi Mount. And Fifi. Game on the corner, you know. Or maybe in every move. Then Casemiro film was Ugarte. Ugarte so by no after Manchester United fans Ugarte has why a disappointment. And that is the reason why now Manchester United say Omope the best young player from Brighton and Hove Albion. Mukoye mo last meeting on Carlos Baleba no Brighton for say Abante ni Antonio. He is not for sale or it's now for another season. But you guys knew say they were telling you that because they wanted you to bring huge money. Now, Rich, more far back no Kobus I know, Monsieur. You see, and two about any moment, but some of us say, Yen Sajina, Yen Timinia here. I guess someone who's car tells the better was said, no. Umbra 115, sir, yet they are granted the mamma. And a man you started leaking more most of job for say, Dion, you could be him. Sabatin for Mupe, yes, he will be him. So they didn't go again. And that was reported widely. Say Manchester are any more interest in Carlos Baleba, at least for this season. Now, mind you, for buy, you know. I know, Samimo of Manchester Evening News said, look, I mentioned only 2 seasons for Premier League. And we think he can grow more. And it's young man more. He will develop more, and at the right time, you will go for him. anya hwekwa ni agent na no mudi nkomo initially no am yet say advantage no onyama you no obebo it he will wait for us in the future it am yam pray hu bebre na ye hwe rich as I was doing my production then I chanced on a story say Manchester United say so anya Carlos Baleba na say ne bo na dey too much they don't think Real Madrid will sell Eduardo Camavinga same price now Bruno Elbobo for Carlos Baleba no so they are considering a move for Edward Camavinga and I'm so okay me ba busa Edward Camavinga yes mo estimation is say at least we could be 80 million mo betimi anya no is he someone you will want in your team
80 million
for Camavinga from Real Madrid
does
sir Rich
I Camavinga Ayala
and I'm to momo with him
but
moto Matias Cunha mo
say players boarding I no matter for me jaden
say nti na musim mu de ete kwa
jaden feel no
Camavinga hey Rich na Carlos Baleba na komo jimo ete asaka mojia but enye ni tipe ne Camavinga
sure
since aka u di ete kwa na komo ji ya na say with the same with 80 ubenya Edward Camavinga ombe
na ma do maton
no but that's how na okay say Madrid say we shed no ma ye koya Camavinga is not really in the scheme of Omonioma and in paper ka say ko bra that is the reason why only Real Madrid squad in him no and Xabi Alonso ba won your opportunity to even use him and it's only 80 million a bar now Real Madrid bet even Samaka 80 million for Obia and then you consider as a French player they will take
ba me feel Baleba no ali zo de 80 no yemfa nko test what is hwe yemfa nko hwehwan nko okay
Carlos Baleba
ye be mo bo 150
for Carlos Baleba no se mun ko biem
that is the problem
that is the decision
any negotiation sir sometimes go and test the waters and see
Rich
go there go mo kakra na
your waters bia me kuta me fun u ka dem so Ayala me ton phone
yeah
na me ka so okay me ton ma by their phone no me ton no e bia 20,000 me use to be some few months but me piskaya there into the ultimate the be 18,000 ba me the be ma Rich now ni mu akoma mu pa se o sike kuta 12,000 now hwe nkoma ya me ni udi ya me phone ekuta me na me say oh me ton be 20,000 me use to be 5 months into the odi be 18 ba me ton ma now ni pa so kuta 12 one year ni nkoma ni biem
but sometimes you know obu obobo ne sa obeso say okay abrante mami hwe say ebi am simpe 18 18 no no our fight say because every crowd with who Ayala ujina ebi na 18 no we dey say onya be 16 gram abetim dia ma no
but okuta 12
but me kuta 12 and I mention say see some say 18 ready dia for Brighton catch am say look you 80 ho cash down with your money never 20 yenye 20 ne add-ons be
no but you see Rich
in test waters never
80 no someone go Camavinga ho you will not pay it cash down
sure and the minimum sir
but Saudi ko Carlos Baleba
but me mean so me pay Carlos Baleba
no enye dia wo pro and what you can also offer man you just see in paper away financially mun nyina yes awo mun nyina ye gidigidi sawo and ti some ko na some say o ye betimi assign Camavinga 4 years na 18 ya chichem 2020 and the nkofo e cheche see e ko next ka say beto 115 no kra o maka say okay yentia 80 boom na yemfa de aka nya enye installation ni ade Rich for me there say Carlos Baleba gina ho na Edward Camavinga gina ho choose Camavinga
okay
I think
but how to boom ni timo den pa o
yes ni trim na den Rich
timo den pa
and the business model na Nabusa say the thing every year bia he seems to produce stars for clubs to come and buy
because and Ayala players na come myself no money players be mo digiri
so why are you not concentrating on Edward Camavinga there so what did he
package player no 100 120 Carlos Baleba
Rich mama for manunsi wa just 1 minute be there are 2 updates be La Gazzetta dello Sport air provided me fan tour. First one, say on front page now. There's a picture of Ademola Lookman waha. Na asam na esre kakra. Unim de dia. Rich, you see Inter for say pam no twa no ye. Say Atalanta for so monton player ni bi ma. Almost watch your more film, and that is what this Italiano translated into. Say Inter, say enough is enough. They've withdrawn from Atalanta pursuit of Ademola Lookman. Now, Rich, and then Tuesday. You say now no pa. Atalanta for your training, young Kosha Ademola Lookman ebe. Oba on ne papa. Unso what here to say on my training. But for the first time this season, Rich, Abrante no ako training. Enti Atlanta CEO and omo club president they say oh onye training no na omo pon a discipline committee twɛn no 15 days ba training my any official excuse the entity on from mama say so what tie with team no yes ye hu boni bi a ye de ayaw obi de sika ba so obeso oto and yes sika na ode aba no esa what tie and na wo ba no papa ba mi so papa odi dwato de free Nigeria ebe dia but come Abante friend Ademola Lookman has started training now. Reach Sunday and Inter almost see we friend Terra and be two say almost Erasmus Holland and Tombatono and they are pursuing him because Maximiliano Allegri our here the coaching I'm almost green lights on Monkoto and Reach as at Sunday me and him say Rasmus Holland ever come back to Italy na a team a friend AC Milan and Kwane Peno. Rich another player, sorry, oh, dollars for any muno. It's a Lukaku player, and Obako bet 3 to 4 months. Then all of a sudden, De Laurentiis say Lukaku player also move profile striker, or Medina Baba Besson and I almost super as Holland. So Napoli are also coming to Manchester to join AC Milan in the fight for Abrantiano because Antonio Conte send Maximiliano Allegri at AC Milan as so open no ono so eper first no Rasmus Holland say on free man you but Rich when I say and tia mo ne tina Abrantiano was amasa se club ne so on permanent coach ne so on premier min ka chin metina club nim the last game my boy against Arsenal he wasn't even part of the squad ya name nimpo. And the message from the club has been very, very strong to him. Masa, we want you to leave. And he, I okay. Some kwa me move from Italy. I just require Italian league. But give him quick a crowd. So I want to go back. And now there's a bidding war, one from Napoli and one from AC Milan for Manchester friend Rasmus Holland. Rich, that is the latest the transfer window now. You bet me at the mama code with a maintenance. Now, and then there are some few games be our Champions League for Envaros and Karabach more elbow game. Then some few other games being so I am very, very excited. Also, champ tournament so Kosovo. It's here moving in just young come once. Refi. First one a BWBA 716 E3. Second one a BWBA 77A 9E. Third one a BWBA 7A 4AC. Then the last one a BWBA 7E 11D. And to forward to a course, myself, you can take a screenshot. I think so when you meet individual pages, you know, so social media, you go and find course no error. And the game is a very, very nice combination. You have too many matches, but a very, very nice combination. I bet me afa na why rich.